everybody, Nikki here with San Diego Moms, and I am so excited to share with you our top 10 activities to do at home with your kids this summer. One of my daughter's favorite things is if you just go on YouTube, search yoga for kids. They have Disney princesses like Anna and Elsa and Moana hosting these 30-minute yoga workshops for kids, but you should definitely check that out if you're looking for something to do that will keep your kids active, healthy, and you're at home. So if you have a night in, or maybe you're looking just for something to do after dinner, I highly recommend Heads Up for Kids. Downloading the app, because if you're an adult and you've tried Heads Up, you have a blast, but when you do it with your kids, it's so much more fun. So if you aren't or haven't been introduced to Pinterest, you definitely want to check it out. It has a ton of amazing resources and ideas from everything from crafts to science projects, anything that you need to do at home. And they give you step-by-step instructions, literally just a dream for moms. Teaching your kids about gardening is a great way to, one, put them to work and also just have a little fun outside in your home. I also found a great resource online, Soiree by Ria. They actually have these essential kits that send you home with everything you need to do to plant a full garden, just kind of like from start. Teaching kids about the importance of volunteering and community service is something that is very near and dear to my heart, and something that is so easy to do in your home. This summer is to have them actually make cards for elderly folks in home. That is just a great way to be able to instill kind of that giving back and that compassion with your kids and brighten up the day of an elderly senior. So fortunately or unfortunately, summer camps many of them have decided to go virtual, which has also been a really great experience for kids and giving them things to do at home. So whether it's experiencing an aquarium or learning about animals, there's a great way for your kids to still get that summer camp experience without being able to go in. As you're looking for things to do at home, do-it-yourself Play-Doh is definitely something that I think I have tried multiple different recipes, and we have partnered with Mother Rockin' Oils here at San Diego Moms, and she has inspired us with a little bit of therapeutic play and the opportunity to add essential oils to the Play-Doh itself, which has been really fun. Maybe your summer vacation plans were canceled this summer, but they don't have to be. Landmarks like Yosemite, the Grand Canyon, and Yellowstone are all offering these incredible virtual experiences that are free and they're online for you to go and experience everything that you might have been planned to go to this summer. Watching movies beneath the stars, laughing with your family, eating an abundance of popcorn, what sounds better than that? Drive-in theaters are making a comeback, and your family should definitely check it out this summer. If you don't have access to a drive-in, super simple to either bring a TV outside or just bring your laptop, put it up on a picnic table, and just enjoy the stars and really bring the drive-in experience to your house. Well, if you aren't going to make it out on your big camping trip this summer, there's always the option to just pitch the tent out in the backyard. And I think my favorite idea is to go ahead and send Dad out with the kids for the evening of their life this summer, and then you get a little bit of R&R. Kids get to have a great time, Dad gets to have a great time. I'd call that a win-win.